All right, boom. So let's get into it. Today, I'm going to show you guys how I made $684 day trading NASDAQ. It was a great day, kind of weird price action, but if you guys have been day trading over the last 2 days, especially NASDAQ or honestly anything, the market has been pretty crazy with Trump being in office and this whole tariff war going on, whatever you want to call it. So we have been seeing a very, very bearish market, and I have not really been wanting to take any longs. I've definitely been short biased, but yeah, as you can see, I'm going to be getting into a little bit of a checklist for this trade. I've been only looking for very clean setups recently just because the market has been very kind of crazy. So yeah, I'm going to get into that checklist and show you guys why I took the trade I did. But before that, I'm going to show you guys the just my trade of 8, so you know I actually took the trade. So I'll pop that up right here and leave it up for a second. $684. I think it was only 3 micros, but I caught 136 points, which is fucking insane. So it was a sick trade, really good trade. But yeah, let's get a little bit deeper into it. So first off, let me just talk about the higher time frame draw. So obviously you kind of want to start with the higher time frame just to figure out where we're going before you kind of start your day trading. As you can see, we had this bearish 4-hour that's been rejecting price since yesterday. So that was kind of the main idea or main reasoning why I was bearish for the day. Like, I mean, you can really keep it as simple as that. But you can even go down to the 1 hour and be like, okay, yeah, there's bearish 1 hour gaps as well. We also closed over this bearish 1 hour. So there's an inverse 1 hour as well. But yeah, I was bearish for the day. So next in the checklist, so bearish 15 right before my entry. So we had this 15-minute gap right here. And as you can see, it was holding down price as it should, as a bearish fair value gap, holding down price here. So that was the next thing. We had that bearish 15-minute. Next we're looking at is we get a bearish 1-minute fair value gap. So we're on the 1 right now. We have this bearish 1. As you can see, we did not close above it. We tested it, but it's a bearish 1 and the bearish 15. What else do we have? We had a sweep of liquidity. I'm going to go to the 15. It just looks a lot cleaner. As you can see, we swept these kind of relative equal highs here, or the London highs, which is a very good sign for wanting to go lower. We'll sweep the highs of the day and then sweep that liquidity, and then boom, we're bearish, we're gonna go lower. So that's a very good sign. Good liquidity sweep there. And next is the 1-minute fair value gap, which is like my main entry, my 1-minute inverse fair value gap, which is like my entry for this. I'm gonna delete this stuff because we already went over it. But as you can see, with all of those other confluences, I'm not taking this trade just because it's a 1-minute fair value gap. I'm taking this trade because of all of the other confluences we just went over, but this is my entry. So 1-minute inverse fair value gap, bang, this hits, and I just wait. I really liked this low down here. That is a healthy off the entry and the close of this candle. A healthy 130 points. That is crazy. I only traded 3 micros today because we were so volatile. I made $684 off that move with 3 micros, which is crazy. But yeah, so this 1-minute inverse fair value gap right there, that was my entry on the close of this candle. Almost got stopped out on this candle right here. It was insanely close, but didn't get stopped out. And yeah, as you can see, just had to be super patient. If you wanted, I was really close to doing this, but I didn't really like it. It seemed kind of choppy, so I didn't want to take the extra risk. But if you wanted to, you could have added another contract here on this inverse. Very clean. We didn't take internal just yet, so I was close to adding another one there. I sadly didn't, but I'm still fine with the trade I took. But yeah, really good short today. I'm very happy with it. And yeah, all I wanted to see when I was watching this, when I was in this trade, Seb took this one as well. He took it on the 2. He sadly got stopped out on the 1. We wanted to see this 2 get closed below. That was like another confluence of after entering on that 1. We wanted to see this 2-minute get closed below just to show us that it does actually want to go lower. And the 2 did close. This 1-minute fair value gap closed below as well. So that was just an extra boost of confidence for me to actually stick with my bias, stick with the draw, and go to this low. And yeah, I'd say that was a pretty good TP. It was a pretty healthy TP. And yeah, my account's slowly kind of coming back up, which is really nice. Finally, this price action's kind of been pretty doo-doo, but yeah, that's about it. That was the only trade. I took that trade and then I was off for the day. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. And yeah, I'll hopefully I'll be posting one tomorrow for another dub. But yeah, that's it.